Hi, I'm Cassidy, with over 25 years of teaching movement that heals and strengthens. I've helped countless people reconnect with their bodies and build their core resilience from the inside out. In this third video of the Core Reflex Reboot series, we'll target side bending and elongation, both essential for maintaining balance, stability, and spinal decompression. This isn't about forcing or fixing. Instead, we're creating space in your body and nervous system to feel, respond, and strengthen naturally. Modify as needed, pause when you want, and most importantly, stay consistent. Practicing these 4 times a week will create noticeable and lasting change. If something feels like your weakest link, start there. That's where the gold is. Okay, let's get started. We're going to start with the side lying reach and arc. You're going to do it 4 times on each side, laying on your left side to start, knees slightly bent and head supported by a pillow. You want to extend your top arm overhead, palm down. Inhale to reach the arm further as you lengthen through your entire right side. Exhale and gently arc the arm forward and down in a half circle, like tracing a rainbow. Inhale to return the arm overhead and repeat. Feel the breath expanding the ribs as you move. Try to keep your pelvis still, keep your knees together. Try not to let your knees slide. At the top of your stretch, take a few breaths there, just to deepen into it. And then we'll switch sides, doing the same thing, rotating towards your left, trying to keep your knees still. Really extending that top arm overhead. Savoring that stretch. Hopefully this feels good for you and you feel your range of motion increasing as you repeat the stretch. Nicely done. Next, we're going into the mermaid curl and stretch. You're going to do 3 for each side, sitting in the mermaid position with both knees bent to the right, left foot near the right thigh. Place your hand on the mat beside you, left hand behind your head. Inhale to lift tall. Exhale and curl your ribs toward your left hip, elbow drawing toward the floor. Inhale to open the elbow and side bend to the right. Move back and forth with control. After you've done your 3 for each side, go ahead and switch. Feeling your obliques working for you. Trying to keep your lower body, your pelvis, nice and stable. Feeling that opposite oblique really kick in. Using your breath, engaging navel to spine. You may notice that the movement is small, and that's okay. As long as you're feeling that you're tapping into your obliques. Nicely done. We're going to finish with the prone elbow slide. You're going to do 5 reps for each side, lying down with your forearms flat on the mat, elbows below the shoulders, legs long. Lifting the chest slightly without collapsing in your lower back. Exhale and slide your left forearm forward as you reach your right leg back. So you've got that oppositional reach happening in the body. Keep the shoulders soft and the neck long. When you're done, go ahead into a child's pose, pressing your hips back toward your heels, reaching your arms overhead, breathing into the back and side of your ribs. When you're ready, coming out of it, nicely done. Beautiful work in part 3. Side bending opens up the ribs, supports your diaphragm, and creates a wave-like softness into your movements. Up next, in part 4, we'll integrate everything into multi-plane motion to awaken and stabilize your full core reflex system. I'll see you there. Bye for now.